Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email a task directly into a specific project in Asana. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly convert emails into actionable tasks without manually copying information between platforms. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want tasks to appear. This could be your marketing project, development board, or any workspace you're actively managing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Click on the down arrow icon next to your project title at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import and then click on Email. What this does is reveal your project's unique email address, a specific address that Asana generates just for this project. Go ahead and copy this email address as you'll need it in just a moment. Next, switch over to your email client, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you use. Click on Compose or New Email to start drafting a new message. In the To field, paste that unique Asana project email address you just copied. This is what connects your email directly to that specific project. Here's how the task details work. Whatever you type in the subject line will become the task name in Asana, so make it clear and descriptive. The body of your email will automatically convert into the task description, giving you space to add context, instructions, or any details your team needs. If you have relevant files, documents, or images, attach them to the email just like you normally would. When everything looks good, click Send. The magic happens instantly. Asana receives your email and automatically transforms it into a fully formatted task within your chosen project. To verify everything worked correctly, head back to your Asana project page and refresh it. You'll see your new task appear with the email subject as its title. Click into the task and you'll find the email content saved as the description along with any attachments you included. This workflow is perfect for when you receive important emails that need to become tasks or when you're on the go and want to quickly add tasks without opening Asana directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.